y'all doing? I'm back. I missed y'all. And today was the day. But that's okay. It's late. It's nighttime. Well, I thought everybody was asleep, but my daughter's up apparently. But my husband is knocked out. I can't sleep. So I thought I'd record a video for you guys. And I just did the Chic Beauty Box, which will probably upload before this one. But if not, hey, how you doing? Glad to see you again. But let's do the Allure Beauty Box. Let's see. Let me see. I don't know why I don't be having these things open. All right. So now let's actually get into the box. Oops. Okay. Some stuff hanging. Okay. All right. So we usually have, I don't know why I'm so awkward today. So we've got the books that tells you the products that are in the box. And yes, I'm super blind. And yeah. And then there is, like, they usually offer an exclusive offer. But let's just get into the box, girl. Okay. So in this one, this is from Tease Cosmetics. Never heard of them. There we go. Let's see. But it's wrapped. I'm not gonna complain about that. Unless I can get it open. Okay, here we go. This is a plush called Don't Make Me Blush. Alright. I don't know if that's like any indication of the color, but we'll see. Now, how do you open it? Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright. Not bad, not bad. It's different. It's I don't know, I could probably make that work on a nice subtle day. You can't really see it. It's a little more flesh tone-ish for me. Well, I don't know. It might work. We'll see. No, you can't really see my blush now, but I don't want to put this on because I'm getting ready to take this makeup off. Okay. But yes, so this blush, let's see how much she cost. Or even if it's a full size. Well, it's $22. And I would assume it's a full size. I mean, it's blush. Like, I mean, I do know some blush girlies out there who can go through some blush. I'm just not one of them girlies. And I love me some good, I love a good blush, okay? All right, let's see. Okay, it's a different box. Different vibe. It looks hair care friendly, but we'll see. Let's see. Or heavy. Hair care heavy. So we have, what is this? An oversized satin scrunchie from Kristen S. Now, this will probably go into my daughter because currently she just got her braids redone and I don't think I got enough hair for this. At least not while it's straight. Ooh, but it's tight though. It's tight. Like there's not a lot of give. Like there's the hole and there's, so let's see. Can we get some? Don't worry about my kitchen, okay? Don't worry about my kitchen. Now while my hair is like straight, it's like super thin. So, but yeah, there's that. I don't know. Like I said, this will probably be going to my daughter because, like I said, she just got her braids redone. And this would be good for her. And she'll probably take it anyway. So that's fine. So there's that. How much does this sucker cost? Because I see this brand at Target, but I'm not really, I don't know. It didn't excite me. So these are $12. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Well, let's go into the little person. All right, up next, let's do this first. We have a masking and relaxing, a moisturizing scalp mask from the Taraji P. Henson line. Okay. Don't worry about my cuticles either. I have never tried anything from her hair care line, but I've not heard any negative things about it. I've heard amazing things about the body care stuff, but I never tried that either because I could never find it in Walmart. Ever. So, but that's okay. But I need all this scalp moisturizing everything because I typically like make my own hair oil, and I haven't done that in a while because I think I was like on the verge of getting like of developing seborrheic dermatitis, and I didn't want to put anything crazy on my hair, so I just didn't do anything. Like I would flat iron my hair and use the pattern heat protectant, and then after I was done, I would use the Mizani Thermosmooth like anti-humidity spritz. It's supposed to like make it shiny and not get all poofy, but that's not helpful because I sweat in my head, and so my roots be gone after a good silk press. So yeah, there's that. So I'm looking forward to trying this because it's gonna get, well, it's already dry in Colorado, but it's about to get colder, and yeah. So that is, I'm assuming, a full-size bottle for 4 ounces. Yes, it is. And it is $11.99. Okay. Put it in and rinse it out. I like that. Simple. All right, up next we have a Style Edit Root Concealer. Oh, okay. So when you chose your item for this particular box, you were choosing a root what does it say? A root concealer. So it covers up the gray in your hair. Now, I don't have a lot of gray. Like I have one that's probably over here, but it's not super noticeable because I was like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. But then I saw one of my Instagram friends, and she's around my age, and she was just like, look, I'm trying to cover up the gray. I'm trying to cover up the gray. And so yeah, but I got this in dark brown. So there's the bottle. So not bad. I don't necessarily have a use for this, thankfully, at least not right now. But who knows? It may come in handy one of these days, because the way these teenagers are set up right now, your girl gonna be gray before the end of the year. Okay, just putting that out there. So this is not a full size. Oh, I don't know. And the way these makeup products we set up now, you get this and be paying $40. So let's see. I don't know. Let's see. The root is $15 for 0.7. Yeah. So this is, I wouldn't necessarily say a full size, but this is the size it come in, and it's $15. Okay. All right. Okay. Who knows? You never know. Anyways. All right. Next up, we have the Flannery Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. Can you see that? Okay. Let's see what it feels like. Oh. I'm not going to open it right now because I have skincare open. And it's a Radiance Skin Cream. Or maybe I'll use this after. No, because I still have other stuff I want to put in. But yeah, so there's that. Is this a full-size item? This is for 1 ounce. Girl, you lying. Guess how much the thing is. It's $80. Okay? And I don't have small hands by any stretch. But baby, there we go. $80. It's giving absolutely not. That's what it's giving. But let's go to the next product. Next up, we have the Caudalie, I think that's how you spell it, Paris Premier Cru. And it's an eye cream. And I'm not 100% familiar with this brand because I don't do a lot of like skincare and face stuff, like eye creams and stuff like that. But I know she ain't cheap though. So I don't know how much that little bit gonna be if that's like a deluxe travel. But it's an eye cream, so you don't need a ton of eye cream because you're just really gonna put it like under your eye. You don't need a lot. So let's see. For 5 milliliters. Is this 5 milliliters? It is. And she's $28. I feel, I'm gonna just leave that up to y'all. How about that? We're good. I mean, it says it's gonna reduce, yeah, it's gonna help with the dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, and brighten your eye. I'm still not sold on the price. Like, I feel like you can get good skincare, like, excuse me, and not break the bank. Okay, we're just gonna move on to the last item in the box, okay? And that is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Shave Stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. And so this would be handy for us larger thighed gals, so that you're not rubbing together. Let's see. And that's like, or even if you like play sports, like my daughter plays volleyball, and like just that chafing sensation could be, or if you work out, maybe you need to get some better leggings for Pilates, and that chafing, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I just know that my thighs touch. Okay, and that would be helpful. So let's see how much that one costs. I don't know if that's a full size, but it's 1.7 ounces. So no, this is not a full size. But the full size one will cost you $20. And I've seen this all over. I want to see how it feels. Let's see how it feels. Oh, okay, so there's that. And this is a pretty good sample. You get all of that. So that's pretty good. Oh. I open it too. Okay. Let's see how it feels on the skin. Feels smooth. And then when you rub it in, doesn't have a scent, so that's cool. But it does melt like when you rub it in. So it will melt and blend in. Or so it's like a lotion solid. So I'm gonna put that in there. So yeah. It's not greasy or oily. I need to put some on because I'm ashy, but yeah, there's no scent to it. So yeah. Well, my friends, that was our box for this month. So let's see what we got. And of course, the coupons. So we got the blush, the chafing stick, the skin serum, the eye cream, and the root concealer, all in our box. I mean, I don't have to tell you that you guys already know I love this box. And I didn't unbox last month's box because life was lifing and she ain't had time. So I haven't had it near. I don't even remember what's in the box. And one of my subscribers was like, hey, you should like try them out. And that was the box. I saved it. And I was like, I'm gonna try this out for her. I think her name is April. And I didn't even get a chance to do it. And so I'm gonna make it up to her. I really am. But yeah, so if you guys get this, what did you choose? What color did you choose? Because I know you could have got several colors. Do you need a root concealer? Are you there yet? Have you tried this? Does it work? Should I gift it to a friend? Or should I save it? Because like I said, these teenagers are teenaging right now. And yeah. But anyways, yeah, let me know. Do you get this box? Do you like it? Let's talk about it in the comments. And don't forget to share and like and subscribe, because you know I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming back, and we're just gonna be better, okay? We're just gonna be better. All right. Well, I mean, it was good to see you guys again. So I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.